Log into the ICT School web portal. Select the main menu, Teacher. Select the submenu, Add New. The Add New Teacher page will open. Enter the required information in the desired fields. Name. Enter the teacher's first name and last name. Gender. Select the teacher's gender, male or female. Date of birth. Enter the date of birth in date, month, year. Phone. Provide the mobile contact number. Email. Enter a valid email address. Photo. Click Choose File to upload the teacher's photograph. Address. Enter the complete residential address. Other Details section. Religion. Select the religion. Blood group. Select the teacher's blood group. Nationality. Click the Add button to save the teacher's details.